Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know, yesterday I have completed book exercise. So today we will go through our notebook work. So first you take out your English notebook and mention the today's date. As you know, today is 19/12/2020. Okay. So first you everybody write heading activity and underline with black sketch color. Okay. And write in bold activity. Okay. Then come to the next line and write the next heading. Draw a picture of weapon. Weapon means hatiyar. What is the meaning of weapon? Weapon means हथियार. So draw a picture of weapon that is used in battle. मतलब आपको हथियार की जो है पिक ड्रॉ करनी है जो कि यूज़ किया जाता है किस में? बैटल, युद्ध में. अब युद्ध में क्या क्या यूज़ किया जाता है? ठीक है ना. बो एंड एरो भी यूज़ किया जाता है, होता है ना. जैसे कि ऐसे करके बनता है ना, ऐसे करके, और ये ऐसे एरो बन जाता है. बो एंड एरो भी यूज़ करा जाता है. फिर एक जो तलवार होती है ना, सॉर्ड जिसको बोलते हैं, है ना. तलवार को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सॉर्ड बोलते हैं. तो वो भी यूज़ की जाती है ना. सो यू कैन ड्रॉ वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, है ना. ड्रॉ कर सकते हो जो आपको पसंद है. आप सॉर्ड यानी कि तलवार भी कर सकते हो, है ना. बर्छी, भाल, या वेपन में जैसे बो एरो, ये सारे ही वेपन हथियार होते हैं दैट वी यूज़ इन बैटल, जो कि हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? बैटल में यूज़ करते हैं. सो एवरीबडी ड्रॉ हेयर द वेपन दैट यूज्ड इन बैटल, जो कि युद्ध में यूज़ किया जाए. कोई भी एक, आपको सिर्फ सिंगल एक कोई बनाना है तो आप तलवार भी बना सकते हो या आप बो एंड एरो भी बना सकते हो, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ. ओके. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज and mention the date again on new page 19/12/2020. So before starting, everybody mention the thought. So first you start inverted comma and write Magna Carta means. What is the meaning of Magna Carta? The Great Charter. So Magna Carta means, and then in single inverted comma close this word, the Great Charter, full stop, inverted comma close, and again double inverted comma. So first you all will write the thought. Magna Carta means the Great Charter. Then make underline. After that come to the next line, chapter 12. Okay, what's our chapter 12? Then write the title of the chapter, The Story of Magna Carta. Okay, the story of Magna Carta. Then again underline. After that write the writer's name, by Karne Tiwari. By Karne Tiwari. फिर next heading difficult words. So after each and every heading make underline first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So here are first thought, chapter number, chapter name, writer's name, and then heading difficult words. So under the each heading everybody make underline with the black sketch color. And class, listen very carefully. Whenever you send your work, I always see that you never make underline. Okay, so everybody underline the work and do your work in very neat and clean writing, and also mention the date. It is compulsory. Writing should be very neat and clean. Okay. After that start writing the difficult words. So let us listen difficult words. You have to write one difficult word only one time. So number 1, listen very carefully what I am speaking. Loin halt. First one is loin halt. Okay. Second, defend. Second, defend. Third, invaders. Third, invaders. Fourth, unpopular. Fourth, unpopular. Fifth, brutally. Fifth, brutally. Sixth, disagreed. Six, disagreed. 7, nobility. 7, nobility. 8, miserably. Miserably. 9, probably. Probably. 10, rebelled. 10, rebelled. 11, Runnymede. That was the place where John signed the Magna Carta. Runnymede. 12. Agreement. 12. Agreement. 13. Individual. 13. Individual. 14th. Document. 14th. Document. 15th. Guaranteed. 15th. Guaranteed. 16th. Protection. 16. Protection. 17. Arrested. 17. Arrested. 18. Imprisoned. Imprisoned. 19. Properties. 19. Properties. 20. Intended. 20. Intended. Go through the next page. As I think your notebook is not very long, so you are unable to write more than 4 or 5 words in a page. So after completing one page, okay, go through the next page. Okay, so let us see next. 21. 21. Modification. Modification. 22. Operation. Operation. 23. Magna Carta. Then 24. Modification. Oh sorry, this is repeated, so delete this. Okay, erase this, don't write. Okay, write only 23. Okay, इसको erase कर दीजिएगा, मत लिखिएगा. I have repeated by mistake. So modification, operation, Magna Carta. So here are only 23 difficult words. Okay, so for difficult word, everybody divide your page into 2 parts and write in good handwriting, and everybody write first letter in capital. Clear? Now come to the next word meaning. So after writing the difficult words, है ना, where you will finish your difficult words, after that make underline. Then write the next heading, word meaning. Okay, give less space at the side of word and more space at the side of meaning. As you all know, the word is short but the meaning of word is lengthy. So let us start with our first word, defend. What is the meaning of defend? Protect from harm and danger. Protect from harm and danger. Number 2, impose. What is the meaning of impose? To set something to be obeyed. To set something to be obeyed. Miserably. What is the meaning of miserably? Means badly. Miserably means badly. Whims. Whims means wishes that have no serious reason behind them. Wishes that have no serious reason behind them. Peers. What is the meaning of peers? People who are equal to another in abilities. People who are equal to another in abilities. Treaty. Treaty means formal agreement between 2 or more group of people. Formal agreement between 2 or more group of people. Brutally. Brutally means fiercely, यानी कि भयंकर रूप से, और we can say क्रूरता से. Brutally. Brutally means fiercely. After that, invaders. Invaders means attackers, also at S here. Invaders means attackers. What is the meaning of invader? Invaders means attackers. Okay, so today only listen all the difficult words and word meaning, and today in homework you all will do only activity, and there is no need to copy the difficult words or word meaning. When I will provide you PDF after completing this chapter, that means I will complete this chapter on Monday, then I will provide you PDF, then you all will complete your work from your PDF, but there is no need to complete it today. Only listen what I am speaking, because if you have any confusion in any word, then you will come to know by my explanation, by my pronunciation. So these all things keep in your mind and read it very carefully, and I will ask some questions related to my explanation, whatever I have explained you yesterday or before yesterday. Okay, as you end up watching the video. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.